Alright, cold start on this beast. Runs beautiful. You got room up here. Yep. Lots of room. You got 1.5 feet back there. I don't think you're gonna be able to move though. We have a 17-point turn. Whoa, whoa. There you go. There you go, cut it. Good. Yep. You won't hit up here. That's good. Some tight squeezing. Well, you're not gonna make that. Oh, that's it right there. Nope, that's it. Oh, fuck. You're touching the tire. Literally touching it. Just stop. You're touching the tire. But hang on, I'm gonna go move to the, just stop everything. Just, you got 6 inches. Inch, stop. That's it. We're gonna have to redo this.
You're gonna have to move the Mini, and I'm gonna have to pull the truck forward.
All right, let's resituate.
Well, actually, I could probably get the truck in there now. Ooh, I don't know. That'll be kind of tight.
Well, once you're out there in the middle of the,
right,
you're gonna back. Are you going forward or backwards in?
Well, actually, you don't even have to move at all. Because I'm just gonna back up, go that way, and then back in.
Right.
All right. Can we get a cold start on this turn too?
Oh well, I mean, of course, we gotta have one. Did you do an exhaust on this yet?
Yeah, it's really bad.
It leaks. Gotcha. Well, that's all right. This beautiful thing. Oh. Fresh motor swap, starts right up. Runs like a dream. Depending on your dreams, I suppose. Look at how sexy it is. It's just fucking beautiful. It's got so much going for it, Oh, there you go. New clutch. Good to go. Into the, park with the smushy ground. It's all right, not important. Look at how beautiful this thing is. It just wants to be beat on. I want to avoid the tree there, guy. There you go. Oh, right in its natural habitat, parked in the yard. Back where it belongs, parked in the yard. And somebody's yard, really.
Where I got it from.
Just all these different fun toys, Oh, that would have made for a good. We should probably redo that. I wasn't ready for that.
Want to redo it?
No, I don't have enough time now.
Oh.
This is just gonna be a shit video. This boat's not gonna fit between the garage and the Mini. Yeah, maybe. It's got a little bit of room. Oh, there's two. I didn't know we had dual exhaust on this thing. There you go. Getting a little crooked now. Works better in gear. There we go. Big button or little button?
The little one.
Should pop the hood on this thing for a split second. That's all right. I just need to kind of show why this thing is interesting. That doesn't look right. What is this one, 5.3?
4.8.
4.8.
Which is the 5.3's little brother.
It's not supposed to be in there.
No.
But look at how comfy it looks. You know, it's got all that room for activities and stuff. So you got that going for you.
Yep. That's the only reason the car's still around. That's the only reason the car exists, really. The hood is quite fun.
The fuck?